What's up mga ka-Jomon? Kung bago pa lang sa YouTube channel namin, don't forget subscribe and click the notification bell. At kung lagi kang updated sa aming video, huwag nyo na kalimutan.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. I don't ever slow up. They'll tell you what to do is like it's said. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, let them guide your life towards regret. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love. My past is filled with things I won't forget. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time. Just be patient, make a mistake, and try to enjoy your life.
You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah,
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded,
I've been ever chasing me, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
the consequence of the any competence. Mental health is confidence. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me scared. Every time I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is warning and they're scared. I'm walking straight there,
collage and spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my head. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off from the way I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, I'm on my line, they can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I had for 7 pages of bacon.
I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I won't make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I can fall right on my face and I swear I won't give back up. Cause I don't wanna play tough and running heads
I'll
top.
always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Bato, fix.
1-0. 1-0.
Halo. Bato, fix. Bato, fix. 1-0.
Ano ba po?
Halo. Bato, fix.
Nakakadalawa na po ako. Isa na lang para akong unang hihigop. Okay.
Bato, fix. Bato, fix.
Ako ang first. Kayo na po ang bahalang bumilang. Kaya,
Atein mong barahan yan.
ha?
Atein mong barahan.
Ako,
Tigpan tayo dyan.
Tig.
28.
28. Hindi, kung sino ang pinakamarami. Wag mo na dapat ang bibig mo sa akin.
Ah, Alam
Daw,
mo, may
daw.
iwasan ba yun?
Sting.
It's too late. Namangin nyo.
Sting, ah. Okay, umpisa na namin. Okay.
One, two, three, yan.
Nahiya siya.
Sino mangihigaw?
Ako.
Bakit?
Ako kukuha, ikaw pag gumigaw.
Okay.
Ano yun mo? Hindi ako gumigaw. Okay. Bilangin niyo po ha. Bilangin ka sa akin.
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Hindi mo naman na umigo!
Balit siya, balit. Tato sa bila.
Sige, nilaglag mo, wala ka.
Ano dito na niya?
Zero pa tayo. Wala pa. Kami na po gagawa yan. Lalaking Charis po yan. Suck and blow Charis. Kasi lalaki lang po gagawa. Jomos lang po gagawa niyan.
Kami lang po, may kaya niya. Hindi po kaya namin ko yan, lalaki sa lalaki. Late too late.
Okay na, ito na. Para makascore na ako. 1-0. 2-0. Nakakadabla po.
Anong ginagawa?
Nakaka-3-0 na ako. Nakakatlo na ako. Nakakatlo na ako. Jomos, tatlo na nga kayo. Okay. Sino na kayo?
Eh,
Tuloy-tuloy naman na. Tuloy-tuloy na. Wow, baka makatalo ata ako ni Barteo. Umikit ka. Nasa ko na sa mata mo eh. Okay. Wow. 4-0. 5.
so yun, mga Jomons, may bago na naman kami pakulo ngayon. So sigurado, tawa na naman tayo ngayon dito.
Huwag kayo magsasawa, panuurin kami.
Yeah.
Kaya huwag natin patagalin ito. Kaya natin.
Sana, okay. Tirahan mo. Tirahan mo.
Pagkira pa tayo, mabubukan kita.
Eh, walang problema. Magpatayo. Wala.
Tayo mga Jomons, ano?
Mapapabilis ang mga pinto. Wala.
Wala ka mo zero tayo lang.
Mananalo rin sa akin, lagupak ako sa akin. Hirap po. Wala pa nananalo, Jomo. Balik.
Galit.
So, mga Jomos, kami ng... Boysen. That's boy, my boy. Yes, boy. Gago!
Bakit tumayo?
Wait. Sige, ako tayo kanina dyan. Dali. Ano ba ako? Kacho mo. Medyo nalulula na ako. Ito na, tracing mo. Ako na yun eh. Bumitaw, kinalaon na eh.
Kapil lang natin, baka may dami. Kaya pa, pwede pa, pwede.
Walang magagawa.
Kawawa na si Mariseo.
Tira mo. Alam mo na yung tao eh. Tira mo eh. Tao. Tao na tayo sa mga. Sakit to! Naglaga ng balakaw ko eh! Halimbawa na yun! Halimbawa! Lahat sunod! Bato, fix! Ayun, unahan! Bato, fix! Gang! Bato, fix! Yes! Wala na nga akin! Talo ka na yun! Yes! Agad na! Talo naman! Si Tatan! Yeah! Hoy! Patuloy ko lang! Ba't pinapes na mag-isan? Hindi ako ngayon eh! Ganti na ako ngayon! Yes! Ganti rin ako! Sa pasilatan!
Asan kaya ang honey ko? Dahil nakain ako pa siya hinahanap. Kaya may ilang kanina po ako nag-aatay sa rest house. Hindi ko siya makita. Asan kaya yun? Honey! 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 Kaya na kayo pa ako sa'yo nag-ahanap. Andiyan ka lang pala. Honey! Para cookies ko sila na. Ako ito nahilig ko. Para sa kaso, dalawang pati. Kasama tayo, hangin ka parang pati. Para meron ka ba? Tapos, scuba diving. Okay, scuba diving. Masarap po sa lobster. Parang masarap naman tayo habang sa lobster, may maluto pa natin ng lobster habang iiyaw sa dagat. Parang masarap na yun, honey, no? Pwede na, masarap talaga yun, honey. Ano yun? One speaking? Yes, honey. Let's go. Yes. Because my body is super hot.
Ang araw ay sobrang init.
Gago!
Tirik na tirik. Oh, Manny. Napakagaling mo naman mag-English. Ano, di ba? Yung ano ko, half Americano, half American Philippines. Half American? Yes. Philippines? Yes. What? Yes. Hey, honey. Yes. Let's go. Let's get on. Yeah. Oh, honey. Damit is, wow. It's a very, very great. Okay, honey, let's go, honey. Yes, sir. It's a what, honey? What? It's the what? Yeah, it's how about honey? What? It's going what? Chupapi Mignano. Chupapi Mignano? Let's go, honey. Let's go. Yeah.